Hi and welcome to Protagonist Science. My name is Philip, I am a scientist and I create science videos for YouTube. This will not be a science channel like any other. We often hear that we should trust the scientists, or at least the science. This is short-sighted. Science is not about trust, it is about understanding. So on this channel, I really do not want you to trust whatever I say. I would rather show you how to think like a scientist and then let you judge the evidence for yourself. Scientific thinking is not natural, it takes conscious effort, but it is the most powerful tool we have to help us navigate our complex world. I will show you how scientists spot thinking errors, cognitive biases, and logical fallacies in arguments and in our very own thoughts. And also how algorithms abuse these to hack our brains and manipulate us. But there is also another misconception I want to clear up. We often have the feeling that science has nothing to say about the questions we humans care deeply about. The scientific world is vast, beautiful, and awe-inspiring, but so often it is also lacking a human perspective. What makes us us? Why are we here, and what are we to do? These are not quite scientific questions. But after studying chemistry, biology, and computer science, I think I learned a few things. First, the distinction and details between these scientific fields are arbitrary and really not that important. For example, if I just wanted to better understand the genome, this mystical piece of code that creates life, one needs all of these disciplines together and then some more. Second, and much more importantly, science actually has some underappreciated and compelling ideas about our human condition. And I have every intention of sharing them. But all that aside, what I really want for this channel is to be about the future. I don't know how it feels to you, but I cannot shake the feeling that we, as in humanity as a whole, are heading towards extinction, or self-annihilation, to be more precise. I am not here to scare you, but at some point, fear might be the rational response. For that, you can check out the references on existential risk in the description below. It really doesn't take a genius to see all the ways how the future can go wrong if we continue what we are doing today. But we might need a genius, or in fact many of them, to figure out how the future can go right. We are lacking good, credible stories about the future, and I want to change that. After all, we humans are a storytelling species. We connect and we make sense of this world through our shared narratives. The future is not deterministic. There are no certain outcomes. There is only action and missed opportunities. But all action begins with imagination. If you are like me and you don't like where the current narratives take us, get inspired by the science and become a protagonist of our future as well.